How to report someone on Roblox. First of all, launch the Roblox application onto your device and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you simply have to tap the Roblox icon on the upper left corner of the screen, or simply tap on the search bar and search for the username of that exact people. Once you head to this people tab, you should be able to find them just like this. You simply have to tap on their profile image or their avatar. Now tap on this three-dotted menu icon right next to the add friend button or your chat button. From here you will find this report option. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this report option, then select any of these options and a reason to why you are reporting that particular person or people. Once you select it, simply tap continue, and there you go. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.